Today's topic for discussion is Glomerella rot of sapota. Sapota, it is a very common fruit in the market, and glomerella, it is a fungus that causes rot disease of sapota. Let us see the details of the disease. The soft rot of fruit is very important and common disease. The fungus Glomerella cingulata causes post-harvest rot of sapota. Okay. The rot disease causes 12% losses of the fruits, that is reported by Thakur and Chennulu in 1966. Severe losses were reported by Glomerella cingulata by Srivastava in 1964. Let us see the symptoms which are caused by Glomerella cingulata on sapota fruit. It is a post-harvest disease. In symptoms, the infected fruit that shows spots which are usually 1/4 to 5/8 in diameter. The spots are brown, firm and slightly sunken. Later on, the spots get covered with the pinkish colored spores of the fungus, which are more or less arranged in a concentric rings. The disease was evident as a dark brown soft rot, sometimes it is covered with conidia, and a brownish pink appearance of the rotted area is seen on the fruit. And let us see the causal organism. The rot disease caused by Glomerella cingulata, it is the name of fungus. The mycelium is branched, septate, immersed and hyaline, with that turns dark brown in color or dark in color at maturity. The fruits are infected before harvest, but the endophytic fungus gradually develops rot during storage period as well as during transportation period of the fruits. The pathogen able to survive saprophytically by a long duration on an affected plant residue. The perfect stage of the fungus Glomerella that produces ascospores on immature fruit on fruit surface. The ascospores germinate and produce apressoria. The pathogen can cause latent infection. The fungus enters the immature fruit through lenticels. The fungus grows in fruit pulp, hydrolyzing sucrose during the period of rot development. The highest rot development occurs at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. And the fungus, the highest rot develops, and on the infected fruit, conidia are seen. The conidia are easily carried away by wind and the insects. Let us see the control measures. Let us see the disease cycle. Disease cycle of the cingulata rot disease of sapota. The fungal hyphae penetrate on the infected rotted fruit, which we throw out during sorting of the fruit on the ground. The fungus can survive as a saprophyte on any organic matter, and numerous spores are developed during high humidity and moderate temperature. These spores blown away by wind that acts as a source of primary infection. The fruits are susceptible at all growth stages, but most of the infection takes place at the young stage of the fruit. The infection gradually develops even after harvest of the fruit. The fungus enters the fruit through lenticels and injured species. Let us see the control measures. The fruit should be free from any injury during storage. Injured fruits easily get infected. Ripening of fruit during transportation should be avoided. Collect and discard affected fruits from godowns. Care should be taken during picking of the fruits to avoid fruit injury. Careful handling is needed at the time of harvest. Clean and aerated godowns can help to avoid many types of fungal infection to the fruits. This is the control measures.